Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are getting ready for a massive renovation. Now, if you recall, a year ago plus, we bought this house sight unseen in the historic center of Torrita di Siena. And the time has come for us to look at doing some little renovations. Not a big massive project, but you know, Pete and I are like packing stuff going, okay, we're gonna put all these things in part of the house that will be untouched. Well, there's no part of the house that's going to be untouched. Everything's going to be touched in some way. But we're going to show you, we're going to keep the beautiful structure and the beautiful characteristic of this gorgeous house. But we're going to update it, make it comfortable, make it really beautiful. And Lorella is already working on it. So here we go. I'll show you around. Okay, we're up here on the first floor, which is actually the second level. We just came up the stairs. The stairs go all the way up to the top, by the way. So I think there's 4 levels in this house. Anyway, here's the kitchen. Everything's very disorganized. Please understand that is the case because we're packing everything and everything's got to find a new home. The only thing that's staying in this kitchen is the refrigerator. Everything must go. So all of this is going to be ripped out. There's a special word they have for these in a Tuscan kitchen, and they used to be used to make, you know, food and whatnot. I've got everything laying out because I've got rid of all my furniture. But, you know, you can see that it's, at the time it was really great. You put your wood in there and everything else. You probably got the ashes out there. But right now it's really wildly inconvenient. So we're going to tear this off, but we're going to try to maintain at least the edging of the coppa there to give it that Tuscan look. And then of course this kitchen is pretty old. That fridge doesn't even work. This whole thing is going to go. The kitchen table we're packing, please don't pay any attention to it. That is going to our friend Enza. She really likes it. The bread box is going away and we're going to have a beautiful kitchen and it's going to be really pretty. We've already designed it with the kitchen people and it's going to be gorgeous. You can see we have these gorgeous beams up above. Now, coming out into the living room. This is the living room. And as you can see, we have these gorgeous cement tiles from the 1920s. And everybody says, oh, you got to keep them. And Lorella says you can buff them up so that they're absolutely shiny and luminous and gorgeous. So that's what we're going to do. And as you can see, we took all the art off the wall. It looks pretty spare in here. We got this built in, which we're going to restore. We're keeping these wonderful windows. I just love them. They're just great. And I like that you can close the flaps so that, you know, if you want to make it darker or get a little more privacy, you can. Over here is the living room. And we have a few pieces of furniture, but most of the stuff's going away. We're keeping that. We're going to get rid of these sofas and get a new sofa for in here, but after the renovations. So yeah, that's what's happening here. We're keeping that because Gigi loves that chair. So we're keeping that chair. It's a cool little chair anyway. Okay, then we have a bathroom on this floor. And a ripostiglio. We put on the light here. This ripostiglio is going to get a new floor. I don't think we're going to do anything up there. It's a ripostiglio. Oh, and it's going to turn into a laundry room. So the washer is going to go in that little niche there. We might even be able to have room for a dryer if we want one. In wintertime, it would be nice to have a dryer. And then I'm going to put up racks and things for all the brooms and maybe cabinets and stuff like that for storage, for cleaning supplies and whatnot. This bathroom, as you can see, it's pretty big. That's going to go away. It's going to come all the way out to here. This is going in the other room. New toilets, new bidets, and a special column sink. Now, let me tell you what we're going to do in the kitchen and in the bathroom. We're getting what's called granilla tiles. Granilla tiles are like these tiles in the living room here. They're like that, but the ones we're getting are cream and white, and they're just gorgeous. And you can put little rug patterns. We're going to put a little rug in the bathroom. We're probably going to redo some of the edging here because it's old and some are cracked. The kitchen will have the beautiful cream and white granilla tile with a striscia, a little strip of decoration around it, which is going to be fantastic. Here we haven't decided. I think we're going to put fake wood, engineered wood here. These tiles are not the best, and we want something that looks nice and new. And we're going to spiff up, clean up the staircase really nice because it's a beautiful marble staircase. been here, I think, as long as the house has been here. This part will also be fintoleño, which is fake wood. Come up to the bedrooms. This bedroom here, I'm not going to show you the other bedroom because it's a huge mess. This one is going to be our main bedroom, our bedroom. And it's going to have fintoleño fake wood, which is lovely. Now, on the other side of this wall is a really cool arch. So let me show you it's a big bedroom. However, it's going to get even bigger because in this room here, there's an arch, you can see. And the arch was filled in. However, it can be emptied out. So we're going to empty out that arch, and then we're going to have a huge wardrobe here, like a huge walk-in closet. Because I can't do these armadi. This one is nice. We're going to put it in the bathroom and put towels and stuff in it. But I can't do these armadios. They just don't work for me. I can't see what I have. So we're going to design a really nice closet here. That bed will go away. We'll have this big, beautiful open arch, little seating area right there. And of course, the bedroom and the studio out there as well. Now this bathroom is really interesting. We already got rid of a lot of the furniture in here. You can see it's massive. Sorry about that. That's Gigi's pee-pee pad. Massive, right? This piece of furniture is going away. The tub is going away. The toilet and bidet, you have to roller skate between them. This is going away here, and we're having, again, the granilla, cream and white tile in the bathroom, and probably a little tile rug, which will be so pretty. We'll have a huge shower over to here. I'm not sure what we're going to do. I think the armadio is going to go on this wall and just leave it nice and big and open. You know, rearrange things a bit. There's a beautiful vanity that we're getting that's just gorgeous. It's like a beautiful piece of furniture. And we're going to put it there, and a beautiful mirror above it, and two little lamps on the side. It's going to look a little old-timey, but very nice old-timey. So there you go. Yeah, and all of this is fintoleño in here too. So that's the start. Oh, let me take you upstairs. There's more. Wait, there's more. Okay. Now we have this whole little section up here, which is like big. Oops, laundry. We got the laundry here. This is huge. And we have the terrace up above with spectacular views, which is really, really nice. But the problem has been we like to eat up there, but it's like climbing to Mount Everest every time you come up the stairs because it's so high that it's, you know, sometimes we go, oh, I don't want to carry all our stuff up, and they carry it back down when we're done. So we're having a beautiful kitchen be put in here on these walls here so that we'll service the terrace, but also in the winter time, if it's cold, we can come up here. If it's dark, we have a nice view out this window. We can eat next to the window. We'll have a sofa. It's going to be a lovely, lovely space for hanging out. And it's just going to be a much more usable thing. I use this for my art studio, but I have my gallery now, so I really don't need it as an art studio. And we can't wait. Lorella says, when you come back, it'll be done. And then she kind of says, well, if it's not all done, at least a great portion of it will be done. We're like, great, give us a bathroom and a kitchen and a place to sleep, and we're good. So we're going to have her take video to show you guys so that you can see it as it goes along. But stay tuned. It's quite a project, guys. We'll see you soon.